Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to cover if you have a YouTube channel, how you can add a clickable link in your YouTube video comment to increase your engagement. So first of all, what you can do is you can add some links in your description as well that can increase your engagement as well. But if you want to access proper clickable links and include them into your video comment, what you can do is you don't need to directly add it, since sometimes directly adding a link in a YouTube video comment of yours will not lead the people to that exact link. So what you will need to do is, first of all, you need to add that link in the video description. Let's say this is the link. You'll basically copy the link from the video description, and from there you'll just simply go to your video. You'll just simply go to your comments. You can see these are your comments. You'll simply paste your link here. If you want to write something with it, you can write that as well. And you can just simply comment it, and then you will be able to pin your comment. So let's comment this first, and then you can pin your comment from here. Now, whoever visits your video, they will see this comment on top, and they will be able to easily go follow this link. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more.